Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and readying both devices. Charge the Panda Gamepad Pro to at least 50% or keep it plugged in via USB-C so pairing won't fail. Make sure your console or PC is on and Bluetooth or USB input mode is enabled. This prevents discovery errors. Press and hold the power/pair button until the LED blinks to enter pairing mode. Once done, move quickly to discover the controller on your host device. Prompt response shortens connection time and avoids timeouts. Next, you pair and configure the controller. On PC or console, open Bluetooth devices and choose Panda Gamepad Pro. If using USB, the host should recognize it as a game controller. If drivers are requested, accept and install them so full button mapping works. This is why driver installation matters. It translates firmware signals into usable inputs. After connection, calibrate sticks and triggers in system settings or the Panda app to remove dead zones and ensure accurate input. Make adjustments and finally verify functionality by testing all buttons in a controller tester or jumping into a quick game. This confirms mapping and vibration behavior. If inputs are missing or drift appears, repair the device and reboot the host. Often a firmware update fixes subtler bugs, so check the Panda app for updates. If you still have issues, reset the controller by holding power and pair for 10 seconds, then repeat pairing. One key troubleshooting tip: low battery mimics connection faults, so always rule out charge level first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.